Yo, I'm up, what the fuck? Yo, listen, started, listen, hey yo, the masquerade done, party hard, sip mimosa. Toy Story's nothing to play, the game's over. I jam me out, Joseph, man, we can't stand me.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's upload is just going to be a channel introduction. This is my first video on this channel, so I just wanted to bring a video for you guys, put one up so you guys can see. Today, I'm just going to show you my car, which is really a C6 Corvette. It's a nice car. Roll the footage. As you can see, it's just a base Corvette. It's an automatic. It's an LS2 with 400 horsepower. Right now, the only thing I got on it is a B&B exhaust. It sounds really good. It has a lot of crackle, a lot of pop in it. When I let off the gas, it doesn't sound like a Corsa, which is fine. I'm not really that big of a deal. It's not really a big of a deal to me. But yeah, man, I hope you guys really enjoyed this footage. This is really a short video, only because it's a channel introduction, and I just wanted to get it out there. But thank you for watching, man. Look me up on Instagram. It's the same as the channel name, Gears and RPM. And follow, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, what you thought about the content today. It's going to be longer videos, better content coming, because I guarantee you we're going to have a lot of fun, a lot of shenanigans, man. It's going to be real fun to watch this channel. I don't really have a YouTube upload schedule. I'm just starting out, so give me a break. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.